We got concrete, y'all. Subscribe. Thanks for the like. So if you just look closer, you'll see what you got to touch up. Let's avoid this 100%. Some of them is just a little touch. Como para que la arena le caiga, la arena is going to make it like a joint, you know? Like a fake joint. You got concrete, y'all. Come on, like and subscribe. Let me know y'all feel. Y'all ready for action?
It's a 1,000 square foot slab.
Concrete?
Yeah, for a garage.
It's gotta be better.
I'm building like a pole barn in one of my yards. That's me. Like all of it. You know what I mean?
Like, is there anything we gotta remove?
No, it's grass right now.
It's just grass.
Okay,
Yeah,
so like I got a house on a triple lot. I'm allowed to build like with just a zoning permit, no bullshit. Like it's like a $30 zoning permit. I can build up to 1,000 square foot garage.
That's cool.
So like I'm
What's
just
that
gonna
time?
max it out. Edna?
Let's go take a look at it one day.
Alright, cool.
That way, like I said, we got our access points and everything. See what if obviously we gotta remove the top layer, the top soil.
Yeah.
How deep we gotta go for elevation, and then bring in the base and all that. You know what I mean?
So there's like I got a fence, but I left the one panel, like I built the one panel like 12 feet wide.
Nice.
So I can just take that whole panel off and drive it in.
You're thinking ahead.
Yeah.
Good deal.
Well,
Good
there's a
deal.
swimming pool there. So when I
Okay.
ripped the swimming pool out, I'm like, fuck that.
Yeah.
I'm
I
backing
got
my
you.
truck right up to it. You
Yeah,
know
no,
what I mean?
let's go take a visit one of these days.
All right, man.
Yeah, for sure. We got concrete, y'all. We ready for concrete. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Todo el día. Puro detalle, ¿verdad? Está costoso con el detalle. ¿Y siempre anda con Marcelo? ¿Ah? ¿Siempre anda con Marcelo? ¿De vez en cuando?
De vez en cuando. Trabajamos juntos.
Ah, bien. We got concrete flowing, y'all. We got concrete flowing. Ordinary Late. Hello. Here we go.